They showed up with badges, cheap uniforms, and entirely too much confidence. I was unloading groceries when the black SUV rolled in, lights flashing, not red and blue, but some off-brand amber strobes. Two men stepped out, chests puffed up, belts heavy with props they hoped looked official. One announced himself loudly as HOA Enforcement Division. I almost laughed. Almost. They said I was in violation of community bylaws, claimed I'd ignored multiple warnings, none of which I'd ever received, when I asked for credentials. They shoved laminated cards in my face, misspelled titles, fake seals, and zero legal authority. Then came the line that told me everything. "You're under arrest." Now I could have stopped it right there, could have explained how many laws they were about to break, could have ended it with one phone call. Instead, I nodded. I let them put me in the back of the SUV, no cuffs, because they didn't have real ones. No radio chatter because they weren't connected to anything. Just two men sweating through their fake authority while I calmly buckled myself in. They drove me to the HOA office. That was their biggest mistake. When we arrived, they marched me inside like conquering heroes. Board members gathered, some smug, some nervous. One woman said, "See, this is what happens when you don't follow rules." I smiled. "Before this goes any further," I said, "you might want to make a phone call." They didn't listen. So I reached into my pocket and handed over my ID. The room went silent. Not because of my name, but because of the seal beneath it. Attorney General, faces drained of color. One of the fake officers stammered. Another stepped back like the floor had vanished beneath him. Someone whispered, "This is bad." It was worse than bad. Within minutes, real law enforcement arrived, called by me. Impersonating officers, false arrest, civil rights violations, conspiracy. Every charge lined up neatly like dominoes. The HOA board was placed under investigation. The fake officers were arrested on the spot. Lawsuits followed fast. Settlements followed faster. And me? I walked out the same door I'd entered. Groceries still cold. Dignity fully intact. They wanted power without understanding law. They tried to scare the wrong person. And they learned the hard way. Some badges are fake. Some authority is borrowed. And some mistakes end careers.